What's up, everybody? I want to show you guys how to make a butt ton of money with Builderall here. Let me move my head so you can see. This is Builderall. This is an earnings calculator, and I want to show you guys what Builderall is first before we get into the money part here, and why it's totally worth being an affiliate right now more than it is any other time in the world. Um, so let me go over here to Builders, drag and drop Builder. So check it out. This is a $50 a month little program here, and it allows you to create websites like this or landing pages. And they look a lot like other competitors, and it works a lot smoother, and there's a lot of differences here, but at the end of the day it gets the job done and it's half the price. It's actually a quarter of the price. The competitors are like $300 a month. This is $50 a month, and you have a cavalcade of different things that you can do with this that you couldn't do with the things that are $300 a month. It's an all-in-one digital marketing platform, and it's like one of the only things that can do this on the market today. That's why it's so powerful. Um, Basically, what happened is it came out in a different language. I think a couple of years ago. I think they were Spanish or something like that, and it just got released to America around this time of year, a couple months ago or whatever. And it's killing the game. Like, you probably already heard of it. That's probably why you looked this video up, or maybe it just came up on your news feed. But this Builderall is killing it right now. So the way that the earnings is, the way that you get compensated for the affiliate program is also one of a kind. It's one of the best. So we're going to check it out here. How many licenses can you sell in 1 year? Let's just say 100. If we're putting in all of our efforts, you can probably sell 100 in 1 year. And if you're a really good digital marketer, you can probably sell a lot more than that, honestly. So your immediate earnings would be almost $5,000, and then you get recurring monthly income from this. That's $1,400 right there. That's some people's like half of their income already. And how many will work as an affiliate? How many of those 30 people that you deploy are going to become an affiliate? Or let's just say 30, for example. And how many sales will each affiliate make? When we're going to say 5 as an example, and you're going to see that your monthly income is a little bit high. That's pretty damn good for 1 year. You do that for 1 year, and you've already like you're sitting at home. You're not doing anything anymore. So that's super cool to me. And I don't think that this is going to be the same for a long time. I think that the people who get in really fast are the ones that are going to be making this type of money. And then eventually, the people who sign up in like another half a year aren't going to have this same exact opportunity, and the legacy people like us are going to have this stuff. So if you're interested in something like this, I have a 7-day free trial. Go to 7daysfree.secretwebcourse.com. I'll leave a link in the description, and let's make this money.